Using a pencil and a USB, let's make a soldering iron. For this project, you're going to need a pencil, a USB cable, electrical tape, scissors, something to cut the pencil with. Optional, you can have a screwdriver. Let's begin. So, now that we have peeled our pencil a little bit, we can make a small cut here. So, we have one cut here and another one here. If you have a USB, you cut the tip and then you cut this part here. So as you can see, this cable has 4 wires: the white, green, red, and black. So we don't need these 2, the white and the green one. And so we're going to cut them. Now we need only these 2 cables. We're going to strip them. We have to be careful so that we don't cut out the wires that are inside here. Now let's attach these wires to the pencil. So let's put the black wire up here. Now, let's make a small indent here. Now let's place this red wire here. This is how our soldering iron looks. Let's put a tape here. Let's test our soldering iron. Is it working? Ow! Yeah. Can it burn something? Oh no, it can burn some stuff. Oh no, these cables are too long. Let's trim and strip these cables so that our design starts from here, which looks much better. Now let's test our soldering iron. Oh! Oh no! What's happening? There seems to be smoke because we tied the wires too close to the insulation tube. That's why they're getting burned and there is so much thick smoke. We need to fix that problem. So as you can see here, the wires got burned. That's why there is smoke. We should tie like that so that these wires don't touch this part here.